Ever wondered how you can stay fit and healthy without spending hours at the gym or following complicated diets? It's easier than you might think. In today's video, we're breaking down simple yet effective exercises and eating tips that will help you maintain a fit and healthy lifestyle. Whether you're a fitness beginner or just looking for fresh ideas, this guide will set you on the right path. We'll cover a range of easy-to-follow workouts, nutrition advice, and common pitfalls to avoid. Outline: Here's what, well devain-to, warm-up essentials, the importance of warming up and simple exercises to get you started. Workout routine, detailed descriptions of effective exercises with proper form and techniques. Nutrition tips, key dietary strategies to support your fitness goals and overall health. Common mistakes people often make with fitness and nutrition and how to avoid them. Success stories, inspiring stories of individuals who achieved their health goals using these tips. Stick around to the end for some practical tips that you can implement immediately. And hear from real people who've transformed their health using these strategies. Warming up is crucial for preparing your body for exercise, reducing the risk of injury, and enhancing performance. It helps increase blood flow to your muscles, improves flexibility, and mentally prepares you for your workout. Warm-up exercises, jumping jacks. Start with 1 minute of jumping jacks to get your heart rate up and muscles warm. Arm circles. Perform 30 seconds of arm circles in each direction to loosen up your shoulders. Leg swings. Swing each leg forward and backward for 30 seconds to enhance hip mobility. Torso twists. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart and twist your torso from side to side for 1 minute. Push-ups. Start in a plank position. Lower your body until your chest is just above the floor, then push back up. Aim for 3 sets of 12-15 reps. Keep your body in a straight line, engage your core, and avoid letting your hips sag. Squats. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body by bending your knees and hips, then push back up. Do 3 sets of 15 reps. Focus on keeping your knees behind your toes and your chest up. Lunges. Step forward with one leg and lower your body until both knees are bent at 90 degrees, then push back to the starting position. Alternate legs for 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. Ensure your front knee doesn't go past your toes. Cardio workouts, burpees. Perform a squat, jump to a plank position, do a push-up, jump back to your feet, and then jump up. Do 3 sets of 10-12 reps. Keep your movements controlled to maximize effectiveness. Mountain climbers. Start in a plank position and quickly bring one knee towards your chest, then switch legs. Do 3 sets of 30 seconds. Keep your core tight and your hips stable. Static stretching. Incorporate stretches like hamstring stretches, quad stretches, and calf stretches. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds to improve flexibility and prevent stiffness. Nutrition tips. Balanced diet. Breakfast. Opt for a mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, like Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of nuts. Lunch. Include lean proteins like chicken or tofu, a variety of vegetables, and whole grains such as brown rice or quinoa. Dinner. Focus on a balanced plate with a protein source, a generous portion of vegetables, and a healthy fat like avocado or olive oil. Water intake. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. Increase intake based on activity level and climate. Avoid sugary drinks. Replace sodas and sugary beverages with water, herbal teas, or infused water with fruits. Healthy snacking. Smartches. Opt for snacks like fresh fruit, nuts, or a handful of baby carrots with hummus to keep your energy up and avoid processed foods. Avoid injuries. Neglecting to warm up can lead to injuries. Always include a proper warm-up before starting your workout. Balanced intake. Avoid consuming excessive amounts of carbs, especially refined ones. Balance your meals with proteins, fats, and fibers. Inconsistent dietitian. Regular water intake. Many people don't drink enough water throughout the day. Keep a water bottle with you and take regular sips. Tom's fitness journey, transformation. Tom started incorporating simple exercises and balanced meals into his routine, and lost 25 pounds while increasing his energy levels and overall fitness. Sarah's nutrition makeover, Health Benefits. Sarah adjusted her eating habits by focusing on whole foods and proper hydration. She saw improvements in her digestion and overall health. Exercise demonstrations. Push-ups show a detailed demonstration emphasizing proper hand placement, body alignment, and breathing. Squats demonstrate the correct form, including depth and knee alignment. Highlight common mistakes and corrections. Burpees illustrate the full movement from the squat to the jump and push-up. Break down each part of the exercise for clarity. Infographics create visuals to show balanced meal ideas, hydration tips, and exercise routines. Charts use charts to illustrate the benefits of different exercises and dietary components. Before and after photos include images showing progress from real-life success stories to motivate viewers. Questions: what's your favorite healthy recipe or workout routine? Share it in the comments below. Have you tried any of these exercises or tips before? Let us know how they worked for you. Weekly Fitness Challenge. Challenge viewers to incorporate these exercises into their weekly routine and share their progress on social media with a specific hashtag. Encouraging words. Stay committed and patient with your fitness journey. Every small step you take is a step towards a healthier you. Remember, progress is not always linear. Keep pushing forward and celebrate your successes along the way.